Atom Rehabilitation, Advanced Dynamics for Adaptive Movements, built for professionals with patients in mind.
All right, so what are we doing?
This is the best way I've found to do a thoracic rotation with the Atom Performance Bands.
So walk us through setup.
So turning to your left with a wall next to you, clasping your hands together. On your inhale, take your right hand as far around to the other side as possible, keeping your eyes towards your thumb, exhaling and close it together. Inhaling open, exhaling close.
How many are we going to do of these?
10.
10 full reps.
Yes.
Great.
That's one.
And with your left arm on the wall or left hand on the wall, our left leg is also positioned closer to the wall and in front of you while your right leg is slightly behind you, right?
Correct. The arm you're opening up should be your back leg, should be back.
Right.
That's 10.
Great. So show us how we set up on the other side now.
Turn around and face the other way. So your right leg is positioned against the wall, clasping your hands together. Inhale, open up your left arm and look back, following your thumb. Exhale and return. That's 1, 2, 3, and so on.
Now, when should someone go faster or slower in this, or should all of these motions be pretty slow altogether?
I'm probably doing them a little faster than I should be, just for demonstration purposes. But during a normal routine, you can open up quickly, and then when you're returning, just go slow and steady, so your muscles have a chance to really feel where they're going and where they're supposed to be.
So what are we doing right now?
So an additional thoracic spine rotation, it's really important to have movement in all 3 segments of your spine. This will help the thoracic spine open up, keep your lats open, and listen, your health is only as good as the health of your spine. So it's really important to keep everything moved as possible.
So show us how we go ahead and set up against the wall here. Yep.
So your right leg will go up against the wall. We're connected on the...
We're in a kneeling frontward position. Our right shoulder is up against the wall. We're going to go ahead and bring our arms up to our sides out in front of us. Yep. And we're going to go ahead and begin the rotation where we bring our right arm up all the way around into a circle facing around. And we're going to twist and swing back. We're going to go ahead and do this at least 5 to 10 times as we continue to go ahead and work on that spinal rotation and stability across the shoulder. Now she has the Atom Performance System on in a stage 1 system, so it's providing some scapular resistance as she pulls across on both sides of the body, primarily the right side right now, but as we switch sides to do the left side, it'll be primarily the left side from there. All right, so let's go ahead and switch it up. You've seen the rotation, you see the movement here. This is super critical. Let's go ahead and switch sides and show you how it's done. Okay, we just went ahead and did the right side. Now we changed positions. We've got our left leg forward, and we're gonna go ahead and start on the left side of the body. Go ahead and raise your arms up, face the camera, open up nice and wide. Perfect. Now we're gonna start with our left arm. We're gonna bring it up and start to rotate over. Just like this. Yep, and we're dragging, we're creating that nice big circle motion throughout that left side, bringing that right arm up at the end there. Perfect, creating that nice parallel type of bar between our arms. We really want to go ahead and focus on driving as much rotation through the spine as we can in this movement. And if it helps, keep your hand on the wall. throughout all of the movements while you go ahead and do this, so that way you don't lift up and you can get as much rotation as you possibly can. You really want to have that left leg pressed against the wall and that left hand rubbing against the wall as you do this, and that's going to help drive some extra mobility. Perfect. That's going to be it. You're going to want to go ahead and do that for at least 10 to 15 repetitions on each side, and that's going to be your mobility work for the day.